Welcome to week 4 of Public Service Consulting Practicum. This week we are reading chapter 7 in the textbook, the fourth C, which is change. The change stage of the 7 C's model includes the following themes that seek to help to understand and address the human elements of change. First is system dynamics. What are the deep systemic issues that will cause the change stage to hit problems? Second, organization and disorganization. What factors related to the organization of the system will impact on the success of the change? Third, understand the resistance. How can people be encouraged to be involved in the change? The change spectrum. What type of change interventions can be effected to help people through the change? Fourth, what makes guide work? This includes the training, educating, facilitating, and mentoring of the people involved in the change. Fifth, customer segmentation. How can the customers be segmented into groups based on their desire for change? Sixth, methodology. What methodology will be used to drive the engagements? Seventh is energy mapping. Where are the forces that can impact on the change? The textbook briefly mentions John Kotter. I want to explain a little bit more of John Kotter's work. In 1996, he wrote the classic book called Leading Change. He discusses the change problem and its solution. John Kotter's 8-stage process for creating change. First, establishing a sense of urgency. Second, creating the guiding coalition. Third, developing a vision and a strategy. Then, communicating the change vision. Fifth, empowering broad-based action. Sixth, generating short-term wins. Seventh, consolidating gains and producing more change. And finally, anchoring new approaches in the culture. His other book, Our Iceberg is Melting, Changing and Succeeding Under Any Conditions, is a story of penguins living on an iceberg and how they deal with change. Their iceberg is melting. It follows the 8-stage process. He also has several other books building on the same process. So this has been a summary of the 4th C. Be sure to read Chapter 7 in the textbook. Post your answers on the discussion forum and comments on other students' posts. I'll be talking with each of you at the designated time this week.